So next up, guys, got just a really nice truck here. So this is a 2006 Kenworth W900. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. You're not going to find many W9s that are just as low mild as this one. Only 340,000 miles, guys. You got a Cat C13 diesel motor, Eaton 13-speed transmission, all aluminum rims, air sliding fifth wheel. Obviously dual exhaust, be a pre-emissions truck. Most of the rubber's real good, guys. Maybe a couple tires showing just a little bit of wear. Majority dang good. I think you got 290-gallon fuel tanks, 180-gallon fuel capacity there. Yeah, you can see all the chrome. Awesome looking truck. Starts up, runs strong. It's got LED lights. Just a pretty unique opportunity. It does have the wet kit too. So set up to run a RGN trailer or trailer with hydraulics, anything of that nature. But I'm here with Stevie. He's gonna fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. She blows a little black smoke. This thing's a pretty mean ride. He'll give you reverse, kind of spin around the lot just a little bit. But this has been farmer owned. He's used it pretty lightly, pulling grain trailers, things of that nature. He's done really good maintenance. He's really fussy about his equipment. And I'm sure you'll see that in this particular unit. And that day cab does have just a little extra room in the cab, so you can get around there. Got all your aluminum rims, big chrome bumper. Obviously, W9 Kenworth's kind of one of the very most popular trucks there is. So, pretty unique opportunity, guys. So there's the demo on the 2006 Kenworth W900. He's going to go park it out front. But look, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions. Really nice truck. Actually, might be bringing it back to us here, but very nice truck. Awesome consignor. He's fussy about his equipment. This is a really nice one. So go look, guys. Auction time at Old 20